In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to size an image in Obsidian. If you're someone who uses Obsidian for note-taking or organizing your thoughts, you know how important it is to have your images looking just right. Whether you're adding a diagram, a photo, or any other visual, getting the size perfect can make your notes not only more appealing, but also more informative. First off, make sure you have Obsidian installed on your computer. It's a fantastic app for those of us who love to keep our thoughts organized and accessible. So if you haven't already, download and install it. Once you've got it up and running, go ahead and open the app. Now, for this tutorial, we're going to assume you already have an image that you want to size. To add your image, simply drag it into your note. This is a straightforward way to include visuals in your work, and it's a feature that makes Obsidian very user-friendly. Now, let's explore the different ways you can resize your image. One approach is to use the crop button. This is a handy tool if you want to adjust the image size quickly. Click on the image and you should see a circular button at the bottom. Click and drag it to resize your image as you desire. This method is quite intuitive and lets you adjust the size with great ease. If you're looking for more precision, another way to resize your image is by inputting specific pixel dimensions. To do this, click on the image to select it. Then, look for the option that says Edit this block. When you click on it, you'll be able to see all the details related to your image, including its current pixel size. This is where the magic happens. Change the number to your desired pixel size. This method gives you control over the exact dimensions, which can be particularly useful if you're working with a layout that requires specific measurements. Remember, resizing your images appropriately can enhance the readability and aesthetic of your notes. It's worth taking the extra effort to ensure that every visual you add looks just right. As you become more familiar with Obsidian, you'll find these features quite useful for creating polished and professional-looking notes. So, there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily resize images in Obsidian to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.